Now let's start rule number 7. Rule number 7. Bishop, please stop it, and Raghav also. So titles are taken as singular. What is the meaning of the word title? Heading or name of something. So it can be a title of book. It can be a title of movie. So any name, it is always taken as singular. Now give me two example, one, please. Yes. Hmm. 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 Okay. Yes. Catching a crook. Okay. Yes. Hanji beta, title is the name itself, name of any book or movie. Okay. The Bible. Okay. It's a book. Yes.
Ma'am, the Harry Potter.
Ma'am, the Gita.
Harry Potter. Okay. Vaibhav.
Ma'am, the Gita.
The Gita. Okay. So around the world in 80 days. Around the world in 80 days. Now you are in 7th standard. I don't think so you will do this mistake. Otherwise, what lower classes students do, they just see days here and they write hour. But you must think that this is name of a book only. So around the world in 80 days, this is name of the book. Similarly, movie also. Three Idiots is a funny movie. Again, title. So name of any book, any movie or anything, any novel, magazine, newspaper, always taken as singular. Hindustan Times. So Times लिखा हुआ है, no doubt आपको plural लगेगा, but its name, so is will be the answer. Please note down rule number 7. Then I'm moving to rule number 8. Rule number 8 is whenever you wish something, you don't follow grammatical rules generally. For example, I wish I were an actor. So actually with I, what do we write? Was. So here, but you are wishing something, you will write were. I wish I were the Prime Minister of India. I wish I were the President of India. Yes. In case of wish, sometimes we don't generally follow rules. हम rules follow नहीं करते in case of wish generally. I wish he, with he we use doesn't or don't. But here you will write don't. In case of wish, generally we follow the opposite rule. Generally, अगर हमें singular लग रहा है तो we generally use plural rule. I wish he raised his hand. Raises आना चाहिए, but here I'm using raise. So in wish, generally we use the opposite rules. Is it clear, everyone? Yes, ma'am. So whenever you imagine something, I wish I were principal of the school like that. So you were use this thing, were, not was. Is it clear, online students?
मैम जो रूल नंबर 8 है मैम, जैसे कि आपने बोला कि हमने कभी कभी हम प्लूरल्स यूज कर सकते हैं, तो मैम ये हमें फिर सेंटेंस की फॉर्म से पता लगेगा कि हमने प्लूरल यूज करना है या
Yes, beta.
सिंगुलर?
अगर if you are imagining something or if you are wishing something, then you will come to know from sentence only. Okay.
ओके मैम.
So I'm moving forward. Rule number 9. So distance, money, time. They are generally taken as singular. Distance, money or time, they are taken as singular. Three kilometers. So what will be your answer? Is will be your answer. 3 kilometers. This is distance. So distance is taken as singular. तब भी बेटा प्लूरल ही आना था, always plural. Okay. Now online students, give me one example please. Distance, time or money. Any example? Yes, beta. Okay. Anyone else? Yes, Savya.
At 8:35, our English classes started.
Okay, here the subject is English class, बच्चे. Try to make sentence in which subject is distance, money or time.
Ma'am?
Subject होना चाहिए. Yes, Vaibhav.
Ma'am, 11
ma'am.
p.m. 11 p.m. is too late.
Okay, fine. Correct one. और बेटा please raise your hand. Make one example of money. कोई money value बताओ. Only one student. किसी ने पैसे नहीं देखे हुए कभी भी? Then tell me any money amount of money. Agamjot. Any money, कोई भी amount बताओ पैसों का. बेटा इधर आना चाहिए, सब्जेक्ट की जगह पे मनी आनी चाहिए. We are doing subject verb agreement in place of subject only. Yes. ₹2,000 is a big amount. Yes, Jasween. Okay. ₹10 was given to me. Okay. Yes, mother. Loudly, bacha. Okay. Yes, speak up, Harmeet. 1 crore is difficult to earn. Okay. Yes. Money is precious thing. We should save it. Okay. Sahib Preet. 1 lakh is a huge amount. Okay. Now, next is time. Please tell me some sentences with time also. Yes, Bishop. बेटा सब्जेक्ट की जगह पे टाइम आना चाहिए. We are doing subject verb agreement. आदगुण. अगम जब क्या कर रहे हो बेटा? With subject? Okay. ओके और इज इट फाइन? तो सिंगुलर आएगा. जिसकी टर्न नहीं आई, साहेबप्रीत, देन मितार्थी. Okay. Try to use hours or minutes. Try to use hours or minutes. Yes, Mitarthi.
Can I speak?
Okay. Tell me in hours or minutes, please. Yes, Savya. Then Bishav, then Raghav.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 4 o'clock a.m. is early to wake up.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, I have one sentence for money.
Okay, tell me one by one. Bishav. In hours or minutes, please. 5 hours is taken to reach Delhi. Okay. Okay. Jasmine. Loudly. Subject की जगह पे 24 hours makes 1 day. ठीक है?
Ma'am,
Gorish, you can tell me money value then.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 15,000 is a very less amount to survive in this expensive world.
Exactly. Correct one.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 20 lakh is enough for this house.
Okay, fine. Correct one. Yes, last Raghav, then I'm moving forward. Yes. Okay. Harmeet, चलो आप भी बताओ. Okay. Now roll number 11. Okay, 10. There are some words. They look plural, but actually they are singular. वो दिखते हैं plural हैं, but actually they are singular. I am just writing those words here. So the first word is news. News is always singular. News, we know that there are many news, but still it is singular. News is ready. News is interesting. Okay, never use news are interesting. So news is always taken as singular. Mathematics is having s at the end, but still it is singular. Physics is singular. More subject जो s से खत्म होते हैं, but they are singular. Please find out examples. Civics, okay. Tell me some more words, please. जो s से खत्म होते हैं. Don't tell me subjects. Economics, politics, okay. Or accounts, very good. There is one disease also, measles. Mumps is a disease. ये सारी diseases के name है. They are actually one disease, but their name is having s at the end. Yes. हाँ जी बेटा. Yes. Today's news is. Then you can list so many news. Hacks. HACKS. वो क्या है? But hacks is plural, beta. I am asking singular thing having s at the end. So Savya and Gorish. Disk बोल रहे हो?
Ma'am, I
C
am
होता है end में
thinking.
बेटा. Yes, Savya.
Ma'am, I am also thinking.
Okay. I think I have written so many. So I have just seen so many students during assembly time. जब पहले assembly होती थी, they used to say that today's news are. No, today's news is. Maybe there are 5 to 6 news actually, but you will say is only. Today's news is. Okay. So they all are taken as singular. Prizes plural है बेटा. Prizes. इसका singular होता है mathematics का. मैथमेटिक्स तो नहीं होता, so it has single name. Prizes, उसका तो है singular plural. Okay, now I think I have written so many words, so they are taken as singular. Please note down. Huh? Physics, politics क्या आ गया? Measles, name of disease. Measles is a name of disease. Should I move to rule number 11? Now there are some things which look singular but they are plural actually. For example, trousers. We people wear trousers. Actually, that is one piece of trouser, but we take it as plural. Your trousers fit so well. Your
Ma'am?
trousers are costly, not expensive. Yes, beta.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I have a word.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, scissors. Ma'am, scissors.
Yes, here scissors. Okay. Scissors. Boots. Okay. Boots. Boots अलग-अलग. Yes, चलो ठीक है. बेटा hacks को कितनी देर बोलोगे आप? So generally you wear specs also. So my spectacles are torn, are broken, not is broken. 11th है बेटा. Yes. दोबारा बोलो. Browsers. उसका singular होता है. One browser, many browsers. I am asking one value जो singular भी same है, plural भी same हो. Cloth एक होता है. Gloves, okay, gloves आ सकता है इसमें. That's why बेटा मैं इसको plural लिख रही हूँ. वो पिछले रूल की बात कर रहे हैं. ऐसे तो बहुत सारे benches, utensils, charts, students. We can't speak all.
Ma'am,
Yes, Vaibhav?
socks.
Socks, okay. Now there is one exception also. इसमें एक exception है. Exception means something different you have to learn. If I write pair of trousers, अगर मैं if I write trousers alone, that is plural. If I write pair of trousers, then it becomes singular. Because I'm talking about one pair, it is kind of collective noun. It's a kind of collective noun. So if I write trousers only, they are plural. If I write pair of trousers, that is singular. Similarly, pair of scissors, then singular. Okay? Pair of boots, singular. If they come
Excuse me,
alone,
ma'am.
they become plural. If pair word is there, pair is always singular. Always singular. Yes, beta, Savya.
Ma'am, can we write tongs in this?
Tongs, yes, beta, you can write. Pair of tongs singular हो जाएगा, ठीक है? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
11th one, please listen. If I write trousers again, only if I write trousers, then it is taken as plural. If I write pair of trouser, if I write this word pair, it will become singular. Is it fine? Your trousers are costly. Your pair of trousers is costly. समझ आ गई? Now I'll speak one more sentence. Scissors dash lying on the table. A pair of scissors dash lying on the table. Is it clear, everyone?
Is.
So they are taken as plural,
Yes, ma'am.
but
Yes, ma'am.
with the word pair, they become singular. In exam, these are the minute details you have to keep in mind. Exam में बहुत confuse करेंगे आपको. Pair is written or not written, you have to see. Okay. So I think we have covered all. Okay, only one is left. One is left. One is left only. That is very easy. You people are have been doing this since class 5. Everybody, so nobody, no one, anyone, वो singular होते हैं. Write down 12th rule, please. Last one. So these are taken as singular. Whatever I'm writing, please note down with it. Anybody, anyone also. Anybody, anyone also. One of my friends. I will write friends here, but I'm talking about one friend out of my all friends. One of my friends is coming today. One of our teachers is absent. Out of all teachers, one is absent. So one of, यहाँ पे plural लिखा होगा, but you are not supposed to look at this word. आपको ये one पे focus करना. One of the students is making noise. Okay? Out of all students, one is making noise. Yes. Someone? Someone singular है बेटा, S और ES आएगा. Pushes. With singular, you have to use S or ES. Jyotin, give example from these words. He spoke pushed. Okay, I thought push बोला. बोलो. Anyone? Can की जगह कोई और word. Can तो plural के साथ भी आ जाता है. Jasmine. Everyone likes my painting. Likes. S or ES. Someone is following you or me. Okay. Everybody is in the car. Okay. Sarang. Okay. Can को छोड़ के वैसे और भी सोचो. हरमीत. Everyone के बाद क्या बोला आपने? Is not. Done. Vishav, Raghav, Akshara, one by one.
Ma'am, no one wants to play with me.
No one wants to play with me. Okay, yes. Nobody is ready to give answer. Okay. Okay. Yes. Pravjot. Anyone of you wants to? Yes, correct. Okay, now I'm giving you 1-2 sentences from this side, then you will tell me answer. Who will give me answer? Let me find out. Chalo, Devang, then Parul. Madhav, 2. Same answer. Correct, beta. Anji, have आएगा? How many relatives called me? कितने relatives ने phone किया? Please tell me. How many? How many relatives called me? कितने relatives है? He will tell only. Loudly. किसका फोन आया? एक रिलेटिव का, एक के साथ हैज आएगा या हैव? प्लीज टेल मी. It's better you should, I think, listen to me then. One of the relatives has called. Okay. Next, Parul. Yes, Parul. First or second? Okay, how many of you agree with Parul? First is the answer, she's saying. Sahib Preet agrees. Chitesh agrees. Raghav, you also agree? Okay. Online student, how many of you agree? Please show me thumbs up. She's saying this is the answer. Savya and Gaurish, you agree?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Veronica?
Ma'am.
Okay, how many of you think that wants is the answer? So Parul, rule number 11 read karo jaldi. Rule number 12 है? Okay, 12. One of के
Ma'am
बाद
wants answer.
Ma'am wants.
Ma'am wants is the right answer.
Yes, Parul, rule number 12 please. One of के बाद वाला क्या लिखवाया बेटा मैंने बोल? I don't understand please. Loudly. मास्क 2 मिनट नीचे कर लो. हाँ. वन ऑफ के बाद मैंने रूल में क्या लिखवाया? Many a dash. Many a dash is always taken as singular. Anything can come here, but you have to focus on many a. So this is singular. With singular we use s or es. So answer will be wants. हाँ जी बेटा. No need बेटा, आपने जो पिन पेज पे लिखा है, you have to staple that page in your grammar books. Now any doubt, raise your hand. Shubh, Gaurish, Savya, you are raising your hand one by one.
Ma'am, no doubt.
Ma'am, no doubt.
There are 12 rules only. So please revise them thoroughly. I am thinking that Tuesday I should take your test of this topic. ताकि आपको अभी भी याद भी अच्छे से रहेगा और प्रैक्टिस भी हो जाएगी. Yes. Chapter also. Chapter Vita Vonk. Yes. Vita Vonk. So chapter Vita Vonk this Tuesday and subject verb agreement. Tuesday beta Tuesday. Fourth week, yes. Next week is the 4th week. So your homework, please note down your homework. Do all exercises in your grammar book, subject verb agreement. From page number 99, I think it starts at page 99. Are you having grammar books right now? So we have 2 minutes only. So I am asking you the questions orally from your book. Okay? So first one, Hargunpreet Singh. Either the boys or their mother dash. Take a bracket में. Either the boys or their mother. बेटा ब्रैकेट में टेक है, टेक. This is written in bracket. Either the boys or their mother take or takes. Take. What is the rule of either or? Devang, we have to see second subject. either boys or their mother. Second subject कौन सा बेटा? Mother. Second subject mother है ना? तो take or takes? Takes. Okay, next question. Check. Nobody dash me. Help. Nobody helps me. Nobody is taken as singular. Jasmine. Each boy and girl dash willing to attend the lecture. Is or are? Each boy and girl. So I told you, अगर and लिखा हो but उसके साथ each or every हो, it is taken as singular. Sahibpreet. The landlord or the tenants dash have a bracket में. The landlord or the tenants dash bracket में have. If have is written in bracket, this means you have to choose between has or have. How many of you agree? The landlord or tenants dash have or has. चलो has वाले hand raise करो जल्दी. माधव ये क्या था? What was that? This is, we started from has and now have. Have. Yes. Okay, have वाले students hand raise please. I told you, और आ जाए, nor आ जाए, you have to see the second subject. बेटा tenants. कितने tenants है? Tenants have. Okay, last sentence because we don't have time now. Samarth. The actor along with his wife dash traveling to India. Is or are? The actor along with his wife. Okay. इसका rule क्या है? Please tell me. First subject. Actor is one. Yes, exactly. So revise the rules properly and on Tuesday I'll take your test. Take care, beta. I'll meet you on Monday.